to the phrase of the day is put on clothes. See me have my big jacket, I love them whether I'm in a barn here. 36 degrees in New York City, you see what I say? So you don't know, put on clothes. The girl them with the plan for look sexy and seduce your manager today. Put on clothes, you will catch cold in your front. You hear me, I tell you. Harlem and Brooklyn girl them no worry about them because them gonna put on them Timberland today and go on like, man, it's dead ass cold, my nigga. Put on clothes. What you talk about? Kind of dead ass thing you tell me about. Queens girl them, the man them were seduce you know, and nice to you around the season and them generous and I text you how your day was. Them homeless, them a look somewhere for live and my dog them a for live. You hear me I tell you? So make sure you be careful with them because them boy you love hibernate like beer, you know. And springtime them done with you know. See? Don't know. Boston girl them used to this already. At 39 degrees in a Boston, see? So don't know a simple thing. Put on your Uggs and your tights and your long jacket like you're accustomed to it. See? Atlantic City 40 degrees, nobody not too care about that because over there so boring. People rather go to Vegas. That is your weather report.